Hey, what's up, guys? We're here for the final three boxes of the case, which is a triple box. Serial numbers on these boxes 221 154 297. We got 221 148 736. And we have 221 148 384. Okay, let's start with this one. Good luck to everyone. Thank you very much for joining. I will have the rest of the cup case. We only broke one box. If you want to see what came out of it, you can go check out my YouTube channel. Empty box. Alright, good luck. So card number 1 goes to the Boston Bruins. Base card number to 499, David Krejci. David Krejci for the Boston Bruins. And we have Ultimate Rookies, Quentin Howden for Florida. Number to 499. We have a Ultimate Rookies number to 399, Scott Laughton for the Philadelphia Flyers. And our last card is a Zengis Gingerson Ultimate Rookie Patches number to 75 for the Buffalo Sabres. Not a bad box. So we have a base card for Carolina, Eric Stahl, number to 499. We got a Antti Ranta Ultimate Rookies for the Chicago Blackhawks, number to 499. Okay, decoy. For Nashville, we have a autograph Seth Jones Ultimate Rookies. And our last card is for LA. It's a Drew Doughty dual jersey, not numbered. Last pack of the break. So we have a base card for Arizona, Mike Ribeiro, number to 499. You can see on this corner right here, there's a little ding. We have a Sami Vatanen Ultimate Rookies for the Anaheim Ducks, number to 499. On a decoy, we have a Brad Marchand Ultimate Signatures Updates. And our last card is a Sean Monahan Ultimate Rookie Jersey for Calgary. So this card is from 11/12 Ultimate Collection. 11/12. Thank you very much, guys. I have the rest of the case of the cup. I will be doing it one by one. If If you guys want to be tagged in the event, just comment and I will do that. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good night.